Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing great guys. So guys, today I'm gonna review this detox drink or this detox tea from the brand Sukh, which is a rich source of antioxidants and it supports weight loss. So guys, if you want to see the review, then please continue watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so as to get notified. Indians and tea have a unique connection. Most of us start our day with a cup of tea, and I would rather say a bad tea. I specifically myself prefer tea over other options available like juice, cold drink. I would prefer tea always. I am the kind of a person who cannot say no to tea. So by here tea, I mean the milk tea with jaggery or milk tea with sugar. Jaggery here is good. Having said that, milk tea on an empty stomach leads to so many health issues like acidity, bloating, weight gain, and so many more. Moreover, due to the work from home culture these days, we all are leading a sedentary lifestyle, means we have to sit in our home premises minimum 8 to 10 hours a day, and there is almost no movement at all. We are using our laptops or other devices that are helping in our work, and that's why there is no healthy lifestyle. Unhealthy eating habits, irregular workouts leads to weight gain, acidity, bloating, and stress, and there are so many health issues, and that's why I thought of switching onto the green tea rather than the milk tea. And this is a Sukh tea which I have incorporated in my daily routine, and this is a 30 days weight loss program from the brand Sukh. And guys, Sukh is an Indian brand. This is a detoxification drink, and this is a detox drink, and this purifies your body and mind both. The name of the program is Sukh the Happy Lifestyle. This is a nature tea, and this is a 100-gram pack, and this is for rupees 899. If you want to buy this detox tea from the Sukh brand, then I will provide you the link in the description box down below, and by using that code you can avail a 5% off on this monthly pack of Sukh tea. This Sukh green tea is not a simple green tea guys, it is 100% healthy food, it is raw, it is vegan, it is eco-friendly, and it is gluten free, and guys, it has no chemicals, it has no caffeine, and it is also preservative free. And guys, this tin is not of plastic guys, and this is a recyclable product, and guys, this is environment friendly, and this is reusable, as I can use it in my kitchen, or I can use it as a makeup brush holder or anything's holder. So guys, this is an environment friendly jar which is reusable also. In this pack, there is one jar of 100 grams Sukh Detox Tea, which is infused with natural herbs and spices like Arjun Chal, black cardamom, kali ilaichi, green cardamom, choti ilaichi, clove, long, lemongrass, nutmeg, etc. All are mentioned on its packaging. Along with this, there are 3 small sachets or 3 small packs of wonderful teas also. The first one is the chamomile tea, which is formulated to reduce stress, treat cold, promote sleep, and boost immune system. It has a strong astringent aroma with the peppery notes. And now is the mint tea, that is pudina, which is a very popular flavor in India. It decreases anxiety, sweetens the bad breath, settles the upset stomach, etc. It has a sweet aroma and it makes the day pleasing with the every sip. Now the third one is the moringa tea, which is beneficial to prevent the inflammation, prevents cancer, improves immunity, reduces diabetes. Now let's see how to prepare this detox tea. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of Sukh tea in the boiling water and boil it for at least 5 minutes. Strain it. It has a very sweet aroma. Enjoy your tea. The taste is really nice. You can add honey or jaggery to satisfy your sweet tooth or your taste buds. So guys, incorporate this Sukh Detox tea in your healthy diet and workout routine to speed up your weight loss process. Moreover, this tea is also beneficial if you are not following any exercise routine or if you are not following a healthy lifestyle. Even that will help in your weight loss process. So guys, that was my review about this detox drink from the brand Suk. So guys, if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.